welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, hit the like, subscribe down below. So let's go inside. I have sun and moon, and these are the kitty cats. They're my kitty cats.
Soon after.
Now we're inside. We can open our Kinder eggs. This one is Minnie and this one is So first we're gonna open this one. Here maybe. Oh, oopsies! Wow, this is chocolate. Finally! Oh, wow! Wow! We built this like here, and this is what we got in.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Let's go with the next one! Oh, we're missing! Let's take our head. There we go. Ooh, here's the car. Look how the car is. We have the gold wheels. And look how the minion. Where's the minion goes? Oh, one. Here looks like the minion. I'm a minion, Dad. Look at the minions. Look at all the minions. This is sun and moon. So like and subscribe. Hit the like. Hit the bell. So bye. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before you get started, hit the like, subscribe down below. Today we're gonna do magic art. So first we need toilet paper, paper towel, and markers. We only need markers. And water, hot water, or warm water. Okay, and then plates. So let's get started.